Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. This is LiquidOcelot guys. Today I'm going to talk about how to download a video from Reddit on your Android application. So guys, a friend of mine, I posted on r/misc MISC and a video to how to download video from Reddit, and he came up with the idea on how to do it very quickly and very easily. Link to his Reddit profile would be in the description box of this video. So let's get started, my friends. What I'm going to do is go to a video which I recently posted on r/LiquidOcelot YT. I'll go there and yes, there are three dots on the top right hand side of the page. So I'll click it. Once I click it, I have options appearing and the download option is at the bottom of the screen. So I'll download it. So simple really, and the download will be showing, my friends. It will be downloaded, GIF downloaded. So they have downloaded the video as a GIF form, but that is not a problem. The GIF form can be played in video player and can be converted to video as well. So I hope you liked and enjoyed the video, my friends. Please let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and press the bell notification bar for future updates. Thanks for watching.